Finance Minister, they had said that there are no finances to cater for the zero-fee increment. Students fought. They came back and they said that as the government, they can go as far as the 6% fee increment. Now students became resolute and said that we want a zero-fee increment. Hence, Jacob Zuma ensured that with his people that there isn't a zero-fee increment. There is a zero-fee increment in year 2016. But you must remember their initial argument when they said that there were no resources. That's how they are arguing also. When we say that we want free education now, they are saying that they don't have money, but they have the guards to use the state money and procure a jet that cost an amount of 4 billion rand. If that 4 billion rand, comrades and friends, can be injected in education, it means all of us here will at least have a hope to say that the people of this country who are leading, they are with sympathy with the people who can't access education. Therefore, we are saying that you ordinary students who want to register here today, you must bombard Mandla Makhanya with emails and phone calls and tell him that he must engage the leadership of the EFF Students Command, because we don't want a situation whereby the workers cannot enter these premises. They cannot work. You want to inquire about your studies, the university cannot respond. Therefore, the problem is not with us, it is not with the workers here, the problem lies with the useless management of this university. We thought that we must inform you as to why we are protesting, because some of you came here innocently, not knowing why we are protesting. Now we are saying, for as long as they do not adhere to the demands of the workers that you are seeing here, therefore the university will be shut down. And what is good is that this thing is going to spiral countrywide, because the University of Johannesburg, Wits University, the University of Cape Town, they have also issued a statement of solidarity towards the students of UNISA and the workers are propagating for. Therefore, we are here to inform you workers that there at the main campus, what we did this morning was that we approached the police after we learned that they want to arrest some of us. And the police, they said that they can see that our protest is peaceful. Now we've sent them inside to tell the useless management that we are ready to engage them. In the event they are not willing to engage us, then we are going to intensify our struggle. And we are going to win. Let us be strong, let us be united, and let us also be aware psychologically, because this might take a period of 2 weeks if they don't respond to our needs. Now we want to show Mandla Makhanya and the useless SASCO and how, because yesterday they issued a statement saying that they are distancing themselves from the protest of the EFF Students Command. We are telling this useless SASCO and how that combined with SAPS, we are not scared of you. We are going to take you head on. You can bring those t-shirts now, but we know that those t-shirts are not going to make impact today. Yes. We will show you that you've given the management of the university that if they are not decisive in ensuring that this protest comes to an end in 48 hours, you are going to take drastic measures. Now we are saying, we are waiting for you. After 48 hours, you must take those drastic measures. We will be waiting for you. Amanda! Thank you, comrades. We are now going to leave to go to the main campus so that the police people must respond to us as to what management of the university is saying. We'll be coming during the course of the day to check you. Amanda?
Aroba, roba, roba. Arobe, robe.